Hi Fixer family, it's Charmin, and today I am so excited to be starting a new series for you. I am going to be bringing you over the next couple of weeks some patriotic 4th of July home decor pieces on a budget, and I'm so excited about this. Now, I also have some information for you that I found out just recently. YouTube has made a little change in the subscribe notification bell kind of thing. And what it is when you subscribe, if you haven't already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and then the notification bell that's right next to it. That notification bell now has 3 choices to choose from. 1 is all, 2 is personalized, and 3 is none. And if you want to be notified each time I upload videos, go live, post in the community tab, anything like that at all, anything that I do here on the channel, then you'll want to click on all. Now, if you were already subscribed and had that notification bell clicked, make sure you check, go over there and check it out, because I think what they did is they just defaulted everybody that had subscribed before the change to personalized. And you want to change that to all to make sure that you don't miss a single video or anything else that I do here on the channel. So guys, I have been such a chatty Cathy, and I'm ready to get in to the first patriotic decor pieces that I have for you. Welcome to Fixin' 2. So here is what we'll be using to make this project. Now all of these are from the Dollar Tree. I got 2 of these door hangers or wall hangers. I got some flags, a couple of buckets, some foam stars. I'm also going to be using these skewers, some floral foam, Spanish moss, and of course our hot glue gun. So the first thing that I wind up doing is taking that burlap strip off of the back of each one of these. Now I had a little bit kind of that wanted to be a little bit of a booger, but you know, just give yourself some time and you can definitely get these pieces off pretty easy. And basically we're just going to get them ready to put these skewers on the back, because we're going to be making some centerpieces. And I just take these skewers and my hot glue gun and glue these sticks to the back. And I basically just put a bead down onto the star or the USA, and then I take and kind of reinforce it a little bit with just a little bit over it in a couple of places. So now that we have all the skewers glued to the back, I'm going to use my acrylic paint in the color Burnt Umber to paint these sticks. And it's just a little 1 coat because I want more of a rustic look to them. I don't want to leave them this light color, so I paint all of the sticks for each one of these pieces. Once I've gotten those painted, I wanted to go into each one of the stars and of course each of the letters and just kind of take my paintbrush with a little bit of the paint, kind of doing a dry brush effect even over the glitter. And what it did for me is it kind of muted the glitter down just a little bit, kind of made it look a little bit more warm, a little bit more rustic. And I did it on each one of them, and In some places I may have gotten a little bit much, and even with the glitter you can take a little damp paper towel and kind of rub it in and still get that same look. It's not real evident, but for me it was enough, and you can do it as much or as little as you want. So now that I've gotten each one of those done, I'm ready to now begin to build my centerpieces. And for each one of the buckets, the neat thing about this particular floral foam, I just love this type of floral foam. And it comes in the pack and it's 4 separate pieces. And so I put one in each bucket, and then I take another one, cut it in half, and then cut that half in half to make sure that I've got enough of this foam in the bucket to do what we're wanting to do here. So now it's time to have fun and start putting these pieces together. And really, guys, this is your creation. Make it how you want it, of course USA, but you can make it heights that you want. You can put it in what kind of order, just however you want to fill this bucket in. Just have fun with it and make it your own. Now once I had the stars and the USA in, I did go and put one flag in the back, kind of on either side of it, because it is, both of these pieces I am going to be putting on my dining room table, and so I wanted them kind of symmetrical in a way. Now I'm taking these little foam stars. They're also glitter, but I did the same effect with them that I did with the other pieces, and that's just dry brushing a little bit of this brown paint on it just to kind of mute it down, give it a little bit of a rustic look. Then I took and stuck it on a skewer as well, painted that skewer, and then began to use those in these centerpieces just to give it that fun look. Now, as you see, I am cutting down the sticks to put them in there. And again, it's the same thing that I said before. Have fun with it, make it your own, arrange it any way you would like to. Now once I got it set like I wanted, now I'm ready to put in some of this Spanish moss. And you'll see I took those foam stars out just to give myself room to work, and that also helps to kind of hold the Spanish moss in there. I didn't glue it, I just put them in there and created these cute, fun centerpieces that can be used on any table, together or even separate. They can be put on a mantle, wherever you would like to use these, and I just think they turned out so good. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial today and enjoyed taking all Dollar Tree items and creating a beautiful centerpiece and decor piece for your 4th of July celebration, bringing that patriotic feel into your home and creating a beautiful, fun home. These projects were so fun to do, and I'm excited about decorating my house this year for 4th of July. I have not really been one to do that in the past, but this year I said I am decorating, going to be bringing that patriotic feel into my home, and so this is the first step. So we're going to be doing some more fun patriotic home decor pieces. I've got some fun things really planned, some awesome DIYs and some easy ones, very inexpensive, like I said, on a budget. Well guys, I am so glad that y'all joined me today, and don't forget about the notification bell going in, checking it out to make sure that you have it clicked all so you don't miss a single video. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know that you like it. It helps my channel out so much, and I love to know that this is something that you like to see. Also, share this video with your friends and family and bring them along to be inspired as well. Well guys, know that I love you, and keep looking up, because that's where it all is. I'll see you on the next video.